Welcome to BTE TV. I'm Donna Avery. Today I'm going to be going over how to log in and make a post on LinkedIn through your desktop. So once you've put your username and password, you log in, and then you'll see your home page post pull up. Click Start a Post, put your contact in there, and then if you have an image, click Next and Post. Once again, I'll do it so you can see that. Start a post. Click Add Media. It brings you right to your browser to look for the media. And then you can click Post, and it's that simple. Here's the cool thing about LinkedIn. You can also schedule a post for later. So click on the little time clock and then pick the date that you like along with the time that you like, and then click Next, and then click Schedule, and you're all set for a scheduled post on LinkedIn through your desktop. If you enjoyed this video tutorial, we have other tutorials as well. Check them out. And if there's a tutorial that you would like to see, email us info@visualtestaments.com and we'll be happy to review it. Thanks again.